Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to do a spring wreath with bulbs and moss, and so this is what we're going to need. So we will need some sort of wreath. I bought this for Christmas, so I'm keeping that one. A little thread. This one is transparent. Then scissors for cutting. Obviously some bulbs. I chose hyacinth because it will give a lovely scent, because I want this to be hanging on our front door. And I also have some daffodils for the yellow brighter color. And then we have some moss. And Biggie, obviously you can hear him. Biggie, say hello. Hey. He's got a little bit of attitude today. So with the bulbs, I will take them out because we won't actually need the soil. With the bulbs, they store all of their energy in the bulb already, so they won't need the soil for now, but when they're obviously finished flowering, we put them back in the soil. So what we need to do first is obviously to wrap our wreath in moss, and you can either cover it all the way around or just cover bits. What a Biggie! He likes it. Or just cover bits. I don't have too much. I might go and forage some more if I do want more, but I'll see how I'll do with the ones that I have for now. So let's just start with that. And this thread is the best because obviously you won't be able to see it because it's transparent. Okay, so let's just get a piece of this. So this will be on the top. This is the bit where we hang it on the door. So let's just put it all around. I might not actually do the back, so I'll do the front. I think it's actually gonna look even better if it's not covered all around. What do you think, Biggie? What do you think? Yes, something. Yes, baby boy. And I really like these little plants because obviously I foraged it outside, so it has all the natural stuff on it. Right, and when you think you have them where you need the moss to be, then what you basically just do is just to wrap it around with the thread. And you can also use, if you do want to use some colorful threads, that's entirely up to you, or something more natural. Yeah, and if you want, you can even use a wire. So just make sure the moss is all wrapped up pretty tight. Okay, literally just go around. And you can look as neat as you want, or as natural and more kind of rough as you want. And if you don't want the gaps in there, then don't worry too much, because obviously we will cover them with the bulbs. So for now they will show, but later they won't. Right, I think that's quite tight. Alright, so I won't cut it because obviously I want the bulbs in. So this is what it looks like for now. And let's just put the bulbs in. So let's see how we're gonna put them on. And guys, it's entirely up to you how you put them around. If you just want a couple of them around, that's perfectly fine. If you want more bulbs on, it's up to you. I think this is going to be pretty enough for me. Actually, yeah, I think this is it. And I think this one might go on like this. Cool, I think that's done. So let's just rub them around as well. And obviously be careful with these. You don't want them to get broken or anything, so but they have to be, you know, securely fastened to the wreath, so but you don't want the thread to cut through the bulb, so just be gentle. Yeah, that should be it. Move on down to this one. It is a bit fiddly, but it is all worth it. And at the moment, unfortunately, they don't have flowers, so it will take a couple of days for them to start flowering, but that's fine, because at least they will stay nice and fresh for longer, rather than if you were to put already flowered one on, obviously the flower will be, you know, spent quite early, so you will either have to replace it or, you know, yeah, probably best replace it, because otherwise it wouldn't really look that good. Obviously try not to show too much of the thread, but it won't always be possible, so I prefer them to be nice and tight rather than fall off. So yeah, sometimes the thread will be obviously shown, so that's okay. Right, moving on onto this daffodil. I feel like I need something here as well. Right, so I went and got one more daffodil. I'm just thinking how to put it now. I think this will do. And I actually really like the little fuzzy mustache. And yeah, ta-da! I really hope you enjoyed this video and that you will really enjoy also making your own wreath, your own little project. I bet it's gonna look lovely on the door, and I cannot wait for them to start flowering and obviously creating this lovely scent, especially the hyacinths. It's gonna be lovely to come back home. And if you're wondering where Biggie went, he was really tired. I started to be really vocal and started to scratch actually on me whilst I was doing things. So he is back home. If you like this video and if you want to see more videos like this and videos where I talk about garden design and gardens and any little fun projects like this for you, then please hit the like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you are finding value in my videos, and I really want to thank you for every single like and every single subscriber. Thank you for your support once again, and now go enjoy this, enjoy your day, enjoy the sunshine, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Right guys, so the wreath is on the door. This is what it looks like. I hope you like it. And I also forgot to say that you will have to keep it moist. So please sprinkle it with water, spray it with water. Don't let the bulbs dry out, that would be the end of it. So keep it moist, so the atmosphere is still quite moist, especially when it's raining, but they do need water. So please don't forget to keep them nice and wet, and yeah, enjoy them.